In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to hide the grid lines in Google Sheets. So you're done with your spreadsheet and you're going to be presenting it or showing it off to a coworker or to other collaborators. And what you want to do is to make your data set right here to be more apparent, or the only ones to be visible. What you can do is to hide these lines, or what we call them grid lines, your guidelines in making your spreadsheet, to make your data set and your chart more visible. So we can do that by just going to the menu bar and selecting View. Select Show on the first row, and on the right side you have your formula bar, your grid lines, your formulas, and your protected ranges. You'll see that there's a check mark on our grid lines right here. If we click on this, you have successfully hidden the grid lines in the background of your spreadsheet. So now the only thing you see is your data set and your chart. And if you want to put them back, just do the same thing. Go back to View, click on Show, and now just click on it to put a check mark on the grid lines. And that was a quick video on how to hide the grid lines here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.